Now, you delivered, well, you hand delivered actually the first supercomputer to OpenAI some years ago. Was it like 5, 6 years ago, I think? Um, Tell us about
2016.
that. Yeah, tell us about
2016. Well, we were just getting into artificial intelligence ourselves, and we're working on autonomous vehicles. And so we were imagining what kind of computer has to be built for this new way of doing software. As the audience probably know by now, that artificial intelligence is a computer that works with software programmers to write software that is refined from data, and that software is impossible for humans to write. It's a gigantic body of code, and it requires a special type of computer. And so when deep learning first came along, we reasoned about how it would fundamentally change computer science, because the early effectiveness of the first deep learning network that that the industry, a lot of people saw, was AlexNet. And AlexNet was designed for computer vision, and its effectiveness was so incredible. It shattered records and shattered the effectiveness of computer scientists of several decades. And it was a piece of software that required NVIDIA's GPUs to produce. And we were so inspired by that. We reasoned about what kind of software is this? Where can it go? What kind of problems can it solve? And what is the implications to everything about computer science, from chips to systems, to operating systems, to data centers, to networking, to the algorithms, all the way to applications. And we came to the conclusion that a new type of computer had to be created, and we created this new computer we call DGX. It's a deep learning system, and it's a AI supercomputer, if you will. And I delivered the world's very first one when I announced it, that we were building it for ourselves. I thought that some people would be interested, but it turned out a lot of people were interested.
Mm-hmm.
And so I delivered the very first one outside of our own company to OpenAI.